Good morning everybody, hope you're all keeping safe and well and had a good weekend. Welcome to week 2 of the Worcestershire Virtual School Games, and this week's event is called Hit the Mark. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate the event for you today, and what you will need is objects that you can throw. So I would recommend a pair of rolled up socks, okay? And you also need something that you can throw the objects into. So I will be using these discs, okay? However, what you can use at home is simply 3 towels, okay? And some of you will also require a bucket. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to our starting point, which I have outlined here with a spot, but again you can use a towel or some kind of line marking, okay? And our discs or towels are spaced out as follows. So the first towel or disc is 1 big stride away, the second towel or disc is half a stride away, and the third towel or disc is again half a stride away. If you're in key stages 2, 3, 4 or 5, you will also need a bucket or a bin or a box of some description, and again this needs to be half a stride away. Alright, so we're trying to throw our objects into each area to score as many points as we can. So the first disc is going to be worth 1 point, the second disc is going to be worth 2 points, the third disc is going to be worth 3 points, and finally the bucket at the end is worth 5 points. So the total amount of points you can score is 11. Pupils in key stage 1, you are only throwing into the 3 discs, okay? You're going to have 3 attempts in total, okay? Pupils in key stages 3, 4 and 5, you are doing this task for 60 seconds and you're going to try and get as many goes in as you possibly can. In terms of scores that I would like to be sent to me, as per last week, I need your first score, okay, and then your best score out of attempts 2 and 3, or your best score in the 60 seconds if you are in key stages 3, 4 or 5. Okay, let's see how I get on. So, first one, nice and easy, 1 point. Second one, 2 points. Third one, 3 points. Now slightly tricky, the bucket at the end for 5 points. Not quite. So, my first attempt, I scored 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6 points in total. Okay, you're going to repeat that, like I say, 3 times, so you're having 3 goes, unless you're in key stages 3, 4 and 5, where you're attempting to get as many efforts in 60 seconds as possible. Okay, thank you for all of you that took part last week in the first event of the Worcestershire Virtual School Games, the speed bounce. Really pleasing to see a few entries come in. Would be even better if we can get even more people doing Hit the Mark this week. Okay, have a go at that for me guys, please. If you have any queries whatsoever, drop me an email and I look forward to seeing your entries, your scores. And if you want to video it, first of all ask your parents permission, but by all means, if they agree, send your videos over to me as well, and I look forward to seeing your attempts. I'll be back next week with event number 3 of the Worcestershire Virtual School Games. Take care.